The world isn't defined by absolutes. It's actually shaped by conflicting extremes. I invite you to delicate collisions where together we will explore these intersections to learn where boundaries blur, tensions rise, and powerful revelations emerge. Our goal: to spark insight, sharpen your critical thinking, reveal hidden patterns, and deepen your understanding of the world. Learn to master the space between, see patterns that others miss, think beyond the limits, and challenge the impossible. This is not a framework, it's a journey. Your journey of power, consequence, and transformation. Please like and subscribe. If you would like to support the channel, buy us a cup of coffee. See the link below in the description. And as always, thank you for watching.